You're about to experience the 7 most annoying sounds in the world. Get ready for eardrum hell and let the noise begin. This is some convincing birth control. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. If Satan had a favorite noise, it would be this. Oh, okay. This one's only horrible if it's right behind you while you're driving, but... Oh my god, that made my butt clench so hard. Make it stop!
There's no way.
Okay. I'm not being over dramatic. Someone drilled into my brain right now. No. This is what I sound like on my 7th cup of coffee. Alright, last one. Whoa! Oh, this is definitely how the CIA tortures people. If you made it all the way to the end,